Hey Abba, so here I am in just any Google page. On the top right hand side, see these three dots. I want to click on those three dots, which is like my menu. And I want to click on More Tools, Clear Browsing Data. And after clicking on Browsing Data, I want to be on the Advanced tab. There's Basic, and then the blue switches to Advanced. I want to be in Advanced, and I want to click on All Time. I have options for other times, but I want to be All Time. And here I'm going to check off everything: my browsing history, downloaded items, cookies, cached images and files, autofill, which is fine, content settings, media. I'm clearing it all except passwords for now. And then click on Clear Data, and it clears the data. Then go back to your website, see if it works, see if the two sites that you tried work. If not, then you may want to click again, come to More Tools, Clear Browsing Data, and then try passwords, but then you're going to have to enter in all your other passwords again. Actually, what you might want to try is just seeing if you can log out of everything, restart your whole computer, and then try clearing your passwords last. Okay, so first do the all browsing from all time except passwords, restart your computer, and then finally, if that still doesn't work, then try clearing all your passwords too. Okay, love you. Hope that helps. Bye.